In today's video, I unbox some sheepskin coats. Cue the intro. Hi folks, and welcome to the video. For those of you new here, my name is Andrew. I'm a part-time eBay, Amazon and Vinted reseller, which means I buy stuff and sell it online for a profit. One of the things I've been looking into recently is different sourcing avenues, different ways of getting stock in, because I really intend to scale my business in 2025 so I can go full time with it. The amount of stuff that I can get from charity shops and car boot sales isn't really enough for me to scale to the kind of volume I want. So I've been looking into buying stuff wholesale. I have ordered 10 sheepskin jackets for £5.90 each via Fleek. So I'm going to see if these are any good. If they are, the supplier I got them from is what I'll use again. If they're not, then it's £59 on 10 sheepskin jackets. I'm still going to make some money on them, I'm sure. But yeah, let's get the box open and see what's in there. Okay, so box is open and it is sheepskin jackets, which is good. Yeah, they've got a total there of £31.42, but I paid a bit more for that because that is the total excluding that, I assume. Don't know, but yeah, it's 59 quid I paid. Probably doesn't include their Fleek stuff, but yeah, that has come from Austria, from Vintage Wholesale Europe, which is a big wholesaler. So yeah, let's see what they've sent me. This was an exact bundle, so I did get to see the video before it came. First item is the sheepskin jacket. Condition is good. It's not going to be perfect on a vintage sheepskin like this, but no issues that I can spot on that. Ready for me to list tomorrow. Oh, you know, I'm hoping to get about 25 quid each on these. Ooh, what have we got here? It's a bit of a different design of sheepskin than I'm used to. This isn't quite the kind of sheepskin that I've had before, so I don't know about that. I mean, it is a sheepskin, don't get me wrong, but yeah, it's a bit of a different design to what I'm used to. So I don't know the value on that one. Here we have got more traditional sheepskin. Good condition again. Just seeing if I've spotted something there, but it's just cardboard from the box. Penelope 46. Okay, thank you, Penelope. Obviously this is from overseas, so it's not going to be made in UK sheepskins that I'm used to, but for the money, should still be good. I would have to measure them and look at them properly, but yeah, another one. That's a nice one, nice big collar. Should do well there. And we've got another one here. Guaranteed original shearling. Best of the best, apparently. So yeah, nice shearling jacket there. They're all in good condition so far, no issues from what I can see. Obviously I will examine them closer when it comes to list them, but another sheepskin jacket. This is basically just going to be me grabbing sheepskins, isn't it? But there we go. Well, that one's got a little bit of damage to it there and there, so that is not what I would call grade A. That's the only one with issues. I'm fine with that because 10 coats, 1 grade B, that'd be alright. You expect to get a little bit of issues when buying wholesale. Just another one, that's a bit of a smaller one. Nice wooden buttons on that. So yeah, another sheepskin. These are really heavy to list. Not to list, that is a Moorlands sheepskin. I think Moorlands is over in Glastonbury. So yeah, there's a genuine sheepskin made in England. That one probably will have some decent value on it because that is sort of a branded one. That alone may cover most of the cost of the box. And the final one. It's another guaranteed original shearling, size 52, so that's a European size. Nice black. Yeah, I'm happy with that. 9, don't seem to have any issues. Obviously I would examine a bit closer when coming to listing, but in good condition. 1 slight issues on it, but I'll still be able to sell it 15 quid or something like that. So overall, there's over a couple £100 worth of sheepskin there. Spent £59. I'm going to make some decent profit, especially in these days of fee-free selling. I could put that all on Vinted and sell it for a profit and not pay any fees at all. So yeah, happy enough for that. Turn around for the wrap up. So would I order that again? Absolutely I would. Really happy there with the haul that I got and the price that I paid for it. In the charity shops I was in today, they were asking £25 for a sheepskin. They were actually doing half price, so it would have been £12.50, but even that, that's still half the half price. Like I say, yeah, at least 25, push 40 on some of those sheepskins. One of them I'm not showing value of, is different type to what I'm used to, and one slight damage, so that's going to go obviously for less money because I'm not going to repair it or anything like that. I know nothing about making sheepskin jackets, but overall I'm happy with that. If you made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. Comment Panama down below if you made it this far, just so I know that people have watched and enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, really important. See you on the next video. Bye for now.